Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to take a training on first notice of loss processing, and I'm going to elaborate the steps involved in that. Say you have a insurance policy with an insurance carrier and there was an accident. Say it can be a personal auto policy and there is an accident while you drive a car. So the step one in the claims processing is you have to file a first notice of loss, and today I'm going to explain the high level steps involved in the first notice of loss. To start with, step number one, we have to identify the policy. Say you call the insurance carrier, a claim representative is answering your call. First thing he or she is going to do is identify the policy specific to the claim. Say you give your personal details and you give your policy number, and when they do, what they do is they enter your policy number, which will pull the actual policy details from the policy system. Say your claim is entered in claim system. The moment the claims representative enter your policy information and the claims information, it is going to pull the actual policy from the policy system. Why do we need to pull? We need to make sure if this policy, if the claim that we are creating covers under the active policy, which means, like, if say for example, if your policy is effective from January 1st 2022 and it ends at December 31st 2022. Now if you file a claim with the last date of February 1st 2022, then it is covered. Say you file a claim where your last date is November 2021, then it is not covered. So it's very important we pull the policy information to make sure if this claim is covered within the policy effective date and expiration date. Or create an unverified policy. Sometimes what happens, for so many reasons you cannot identify the policy. In those scenarios, you create a claim, later on you assign a policy number. In that case, you create an unverified policy and then you assign the policy later on in the stage of claim processing. So step number one is done, right? Now step number two, we have to capture the details of the reporter, primary insured, at the same time main contact. So the reporter could be like, someone, his friend or his family member, and some details specific to how they have reported the claim or what kind of relationship. Similarly, the primary insured details, and the main contact is going to work with the claims until the claim is closed. Third step is claim information, which is a very important section, right? How the claim happened, like how the incident happened and what was the cause of loss. Say if you take personal auto, did you collide or was it a comprehensive? All those details will be captured, plus the actual incident, like what kind of vehicle got damaged. Is it a property, or it is, if you take workers' compensation policy, what kind of employees got injured. So those details will be captured here. And then witness and police reports, like if it's a personal auto policy, if there are any police reports, or if someone was there in that location who witnessed and identified whose fault was that, all those details will be captured in the witness session. Step 4 is very important, services. Say you create a claim, say if it takes 1 or 2 weeks for the claim to be closed, until then the insured needs some kind of temporary solution, right? So example, if a car accident happened, we have to tow that car to the nearby workshop, or until the car is getting ready, we need to give rental services. So to do that, we need to assign the services. Say example, if you create a claim, there will be an option where you can select a rental services where the insureds can take a rental car until this car is getting repaired. Finally, documents or notes, like any photographs taken during the accident location or any notes that we have to capture, all those things will be documented here. Finally, we save and assign the claim for the future processing. So this is what I was trying to explain during the first notice of loss. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.